This is your cannulated power drill, and let us go through all the instruments included in this box. This is your drill handpiece which has a battery in it. This is another battery, the charger and the charging dock. Here you have the Jacob's chuck and its key and the battery transfer ring. Now make sure that you use this battery transfer ring while removing and entering the battery inside. Now let me give you a quick demo of the working of this. Now this is in the off position. Turn left for anti-clockwise and right for clockwise rotation. As you can see in the off position. Now the anti-clockwise rotation. You can adjust the pressure on the trigger to control the speed of rotation. Now I'll show you the clockwise rotation. Now this is the no frills package. In the smart backup package, you'll get an extra battery, a Jacob's chuck and a key as add-ons. Thank you.